In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix store to the TikTok Business Center. This process is a great way to leverage TikTok's ever-growing audience for your business, helping boost engagement and potentially increasing sales. Let's dive right in to make this connection seamless. First, you'll want to navigate to Wix.com. It's important to start at the home of your web building platform to access the tools we'll need. Once you're on the Wix site, log into your account. If you've not logged in yet, you'll see an option to do that on the top right corner of the page. Next, head to your Wix dashboard. You'll notice a sidebar on the left where there's an option labeled Design Site. Clicking this will take you into the editing area of your Wix site, a place you're likely familiar with if you've been customizing your site. It's here that most of your design and integration work happens. Once inside the editor, direct your attention to an option that allows you to add apps. This is usually found under a menu or icon that looks like a plus sign or similar, indicating additional features. Adding applications to your site is crucial for integrating external services like TikTok into your existing platform. Now, in the Add Apps search bar, type in TikTok. The search feature helps quickly locate any apps available related to the search term. Look out for an app that says something along the lines of easily embed TikTok on your website. This tool will be the bridge between your site and TikTok's platform, allowing videos and advertisements to flow onto your pages. After identifying the right app, there's a button that says Add to Site, often prominently displayed to encourage usage. Clicking this begins the installation process and walks you through a few prompts. Don't worry, it's straightforward and guided to ensure proper installation. Once you've clicked to add it, you'll need to agree to any terms and conditions. There will be a prompt helping you confirm the addition of the TikTok integration to your site. It's a standard procedure to ensure you're aware of the permissions and any data sharing that might occur. And with that, your Wix store should now be connected to the TikTok Business Center. By completing these steps, you're opening your business up to one of the most dynamic social media platforms available today. It's a fantastic way to engage with a younger, vibrant audience and drive traffic to your business through innovative, social-driven campaigns. Remember, keeping your integrations updated and aligned with your marketing strategy will help maximize your online presence and effectiveness. Happy connecting, happy